Hello friends, as some of you know, I've been in remission from ankylosing spondylitis for 5 years, and the main factor is the food that I eat. I don't take any medications, and I'm gonna give you some examples of what I eat in a day. So, meal number 1, I had a plate of fruit. I like to eat the raw fruit first, right? And there's papaya here. The papaya is not organic. Papayas can be genetically modified depending on where they come from. I don't know about this one. I don't remember. The banana is organic, and the apples that I eat are usually organic. There's some chia seeds sprinkled on top. And after that, I had a sandwich with some leftover baked potatoes, homemade. So, and this is bread. I'm going to show you which bread this is. And actually, this is not an ideal sandwich, okay? This, I would say, it's a 50%, okay? Because I can eat that because my body has become stronger to glyphosate, but it's not for everyone, okay? But I'll suggest an alternative. Like, the ideal would be if everything was organic. The bread, let me go to the next picture here. So the picture actually doesn't do justice to the sandwich. The sandwich was delicious. The picture is not as nice as the sandwich actually was, but so here's the bread and the hamburger. There's hummus and there's cheese, vegan cheese. So if everything was organic, then I would say, okay, this is approved, you know, anyone can eat it. Not anyone. Some people have like some more serious restrictions, but you know what I mean. I could have had it when I was in the beginning of my treatment. Okay, let's put it this way. But in this case, it's not everything is organic here. Let's look at the bread first. From Grainfields Bakery. This is Kamut multigrain bread. Okay, and there's only one thing that's organic, so which is the whole kamut flour is organic, which is the main ingredient, and that's great because grains, if not organic, have a great chance of having glyphosate. There's water, there's sourdough. You know, some people can't handle yeast. Sourdough is better for digestion. There's some flour oil. Now the rest after the kamut flour is not organic, okay? Sunflower oil is not, flax seeds are not. I don't know if flax seeds have to be. It's hard to know exactly what has glyphosate and what doesn't. Oats, I know that if not organic, they may have glyphosate, so that's a red flag here because the oats are not organic. Millet, the same thing. So another red flag. Sunflower seeds, okay. Sea salt, okay. So that's the bread. Not perfect, but it's okay for me. I do well with this bread, and I have it sometimes, not all the time. The burger is gluten-free, plant-based, non-GMO, has some superfoods, and let's look at the ingredients here. So it has chickpeas, okay. Now it's not organic, the hamburger, but it's non-GMO at least. Chickpeas, I don't worry about chickpeas being organic, okay. Sweet potato, if not organic, they may contain glyphosate, okay. Filtered water, long grain brown rice, not organic, it probably has glyphosate. Rolled oats, the same thing. Sunflower seeds, I don't know. Pea protein, expeller, pressed sunflower oil, onion, carrot, and so on. So this would be, I would call it a 50%. And now let's look at the cheese that I ate in the sandwich. So the cheese was also non-GMO, but it's not organic, and it's dairy, soy, and gluten-free. Okay. And if we look at the ingredients, we see it has water, tapioca starch, coconut oil. So far, so good. Pea protein. There's canola oil. At least it's non-GMO. I don't know if it would have glyphosate or not. I'm not sure. And some other things. So this is not bad, to be honest. It does have a little bit of cane sugar, but I mean, it's cheese. Come on. The amount of cane sugar, it's probably not much, okay? So I wouldn't worry about that. This cheese is okay, but I would say, you know, to be better, it would be nice if everything, the bread was all organic, the burger was all organic, and the cheese, all organic, although the cheese is all right. Now, I don't know if I mentioned that the sandwich had hummus. The hummus is homemade, okay? And after all of that, I had some pineapple. I like to eat the pineapple after. It's just my preference, not a rule. And second meal, I had salad. This is spinach, organic, okay? The cucumber is also organic because also has a high concentration of pesticides, if not organic, usually. Tomato is not organic, I think. Cashew nuts are organic, okay? And I think I only put lime juice on top, and I ate it. Like, I like salad just with lime juice, just like that. I think there are olives too here. And after the salad, I had some chickpeas. I like chickpeas, I use that a lot. And by the way, it's not those two meals, I didn't have them necessarily on the same day, okay? It's just two examples, like one meal I would have in the morning and one meal I would have in the afternoon, because the hamburger had chickpeas, and now in the afternoon there's also chickpeas. I try to vary what I eat, okay? But okay, on this plate, chickpeas, just homemade, and quinoa. The quinoa is organic because remember, grains, if not organic, may contain glyphosate, probably do. And the carrots are organic, and the greens here are colored greens. They are not organic, okay? No glyphosate. And let's look at the extra. So if you eat a third meal, or I'm just giving you an idea of something else you can have. Like, this is another cereal that I eat sometimes. Whole oats from Nature Path. They are organic and non-GMO. As long as it's organic is really what matters. So the ingredients: brown rice flour, corn flour, cane sugar, pomegranate juice concentrate, and sea salt. And it doesn't have a whole lot of sugar. It's 4 grams every 30 grams. 4 grams of sugar per 30 grams of cereal, so it's not bad. And all the ingredients are organic, you know, because remember, if not, then the brown rice flour, if not organic, it's a red flag because of glyphosate. Corn flour, the same thing. Cane sugar, the same thing, okay? This thing would have 3 red flags. Like, most of what it's made of would probably have glyphosate if this were not organic, okay? But thankfully it is. And yes, these were the examples of this video. If you found this video helpful, you can like, you can subscribe, and if you think it can help somebody else, please share the video. And I'll see you in the next video.